set of stairs, one light, controlled by one switch at the top and one at the bottom. How do you configure the switches to control the light? Seems easy enough, but there's a problem. Let's start with the standard switch. It has two terminals for easy wire connections. One connects to a light bulb, and the other to power. There's a second light bulb connection that goes to the power neutral. Here's the diagram. Switch to light, light to power, and power to switch. Now when we flick the switch, the light turns on. Okay, that's easy enough. But if our light is to illuminate a set of stairs with a switch at the top, we need a second switch to control it at the bottom. But how do we connect the two switches? The obvious way is to try to connect the top switch directly to the bottom switch like this, called the series connection. We can turn the light on at the top, and we can turn it off from the bottom. But if the bottom switch is off, there's no way to turn on the light from the top. Let's try connecting the switches in piggyback style like this, called the parallel connection. From the top, this looks good. We can turn the light on and off. We can now safely walk down the stairs. And once we're at the bottom, we can't turn it off from here. We need a different kind of switch. A three-way switch. It has three functional terminals, two gold and a black one called the common. There's a fourth green screw that is ground and used for safety. To see how a three-way works, let's connect the gold screws to two light bulbs, two white light wires to neutral, and the common to power. Now we turn on the power, and the red light immediately turns on. When we flick the switch, the red light turns off and the green one turns on. As we toggle the switch, the lights alternate. Now back to our stair problem. Let's replace the two simple switches with three-way switches. The common for the bottom switch connects to power as before. The top switch common terminal connects to the light. Now for the secret ingredient. We provide two paths between the switches. We can turn the light on and off from the bottom. The light illuminates the stairs. And we can turn it off and on from the top. It now doesn't matter what state the switches are in. This wiring configuration with two three-way switches allows complete control of the light from the top or the bottom of the stairs. Want to know where the AC power in your house comes from? Click here.